Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I am back with another very interesting video where I will be putting on the tank grips onto my NILE, which is a VSTROM 650 XT. So शुरुआत करते हैं हम लोग by washing the tank. टैंक को शैम्पू से धोएंगे, पानी से साफ़ करेंगे और अच्छे से सुखा लेंगे. Why do we do this process? Because we want the tank to be absolutely clean. There should not be any contaminant, specifically oils that can be left out from our finger or any other contaminating material. So the first step goes very simple, just wash the tank, degrease the tank. There should not be any oil left on the tank. सीट को भी निकाल लेता हूँ मैं साथ में, उससे ये होगा कि आपको बेटर एक्सेस मिल जाएगा. दोनों तरफ कर लीजिए क्योंकि आपको टैंक पैड्स दोनों तरफ लगाने हैं. सो सीट निकाल के आप अच्छे से टैंक को शैम्पू वाटर से क्लीन कर दीजिए. If you can arrange for isopropyl alcohol, it would be even nicer because alcohol works extremely well to clean any kind of oil contaminants on the surface of the paint. So now we start with the next step where we align the tank grips onto the tank. So how exactly do we achieve that is by getting a reference point. For me, the reference point was the side panel, which is black in color, and the blue stripe on the tank. I took them as a reference and I placed the left side of the tank grip onto the left side of the tank. So once that is done, I went to the other side to align the right side of the tank grip onto the right side of the tank. दोनों तरफ को आपको अलाइन करना है इस तरीके से कि दोनों बिल्कुल सेंटर्ड रहे और दोनों बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट सेम पोजीशन में रहे. आप खुद सोच के देखिए कि अगर आपका एक टैंक पैड गलत बैठ जाए तो वो कितना खराब दिखेगा बाइक पे. During the alignment process, look at the tank grips from various angles to make sure they are perfectly aligned, they are centered and they are at the exact same position. I also fix back the seat for the reference part. रेफरेंस के लिए सीट को ही वापस लगा लीजिए और अलाइन तब तक करते रहिए जब तक आपका जो टैंक ग्रिप्स है वो प्रॉपर जगह पे ना आ जाए, क्योंकि ये अलाइनिंग वाला जो पार्ट है ये सबसे ज़्यादा टाइम लेगा. द मोर टाइम यू स्पेंड ऑन अलाइनिंग, द बेटर इट्स गोना लुक आफ्टर द जॉब इज डन. सो टेक योर ओन स्वीट टाइम टू अलाइन द टैंक ग्रिप्स ऑन टू प्लेस बिफोर वी प्रोसीड टू स्टिक इट ऑन टू द टैंक. Also remember, I am not using the 3M tapes provided behind the tank grips to do this process. What I have done is I have taken pieces of 2 3M tapes just for the aligning process. Aligning process के लिए टेप का इस्तेमाल किया है मैंने, उसके इंटरनल स्टिकर का यूज नहीं किया है. एक बार जब आपका अलाइनमेंट ठीक से हो जाए उसके बाद आपको करना ये है कि आपको स्टिकर का टेप निकालना है और चिपकाना स्टार्ट करना है. सो वंस द अलाइनिंग प्रोसेस इज completed, that is when you start pasting the tank grips onto the tank. So you remove the covering tape, the masking tape, and you start fixing it into place. So the pasting part has to be extremely gradual, and make sure that you stretch the tank grips properly so that there are no bulges or folds into the rubber tank grip, and it fits perfectly fine and straight. It looks very much aligned and the job should look clean at the end of this process. Once that is completed, what I do is I take a microfiber towel and I hit the surfaces where it sticks to the tank. So by hitting, I just mean that I make a fist and I just pressurize it into the surface so it sticks well. Basically, the process that I'm trying to do here is to make sure that it sticks really well, and I want it to be in place over a long period of time. So that's all I'm doing. I'm also checking if my knee is touching the correct part on the tank grip, just to make sure that this actually protects the tank, and that is the reason why we have it into place. So the reason we install a tank grip is to have a better grip over the bike, because you clamp the bike using your knee. That gives you better control over the vehicle, and also to protect your tank, the paint over the tank, it's a protection layer that you have on the tank's paint. With this, we come to the end of this video. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, do give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions regarding the installation process, write down the comment and I would definitely answer you. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing. I hope you liked the video and you learned something new. Thanks for watching again. Bye. Take care.